Attention viewers of Satires of America for the top 8 seconds. It's raining.
Guys, it's always complicated when it rains.
You're right, Satira Jr., you can't leave the house when it's raining.
I like the rain, but when I leave the house I don't.
Well, I think it's best if we hang up for now, right?
Okay, we'll talk tomorrow, alright? Bye. Well, I can't waste my time doing nothing, I'll just go watch my TV series.
In the previous episode,
Lobo 2005 is grounding me.
Globo 2005. How dare you?
now check out today's episode. Hey. Sometime later.
Son, look at the dinner I made for you. Meanwhile, I'm going to watch the news.
Okay, Mom, I'm going to have dinner.
End.
Did you like the video? Like it to support our video and subscribe so you don't miss any updates, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.